How to repost Facebook stories. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to repost a story on Instagram, then first things first, it is very important to know that the person whose story you are trying to repost has mentioned you in their story, or else you will not be able to repost their story. So firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device, and with this you will see the story that has mentioned you. As you can see, it shows tag story here. So simply open the tag story and you will then see the option for share to story or create your own story. So if you want to repost this story, simply tap on the share to story option you see there, and you can then go ahead and make any required changes that you want, such as adding stickers to the story or adding text or adding audio or changing the background or simply adding an effect or mentioning someone else. You can also add music if they have not added music from before. Once you are done making the changes, simply tap on the next option or simply tap on the share to story option you see there and wait for the story to be posted. And with this, you will be able to repost someone else's story on your story. So this was about how you can repost Facebook stories. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.